Hey, what's going on, y'all? Doing something a little different today. I'm actually doing some cookies, y'all. Hey, this is a special collab that was started by Create with Linda. Christmas cookie collab. And we doing this, y'all. So don't forget to give me that LSS. And yes, sir, we're making cream cheese cookies. So we gonna start off with a cup of flour. To that, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt. And then we're gonna add some baking powder, y'all. A half a teaspoon. And once we get that all into our sieve, we're gonna go ahead and sieve that on out. And that's what it should look like when you get done. And hey, it's time to get to that mixer, y'all. Now, hey, I got an old school mixer. And we're gonna start off with a whole tablespoon of butter. Now, I love this mixer. I done had it a long time, y'all, for real, a long time. And to this, we're gonna add almost a half a stick of cream cheese. So first thing we need to do is go ahead and get our blender on. And we're gonna start breaking down that butter. Now you want this butter to be room temperature, but not so soft it's just melting on you. And then we're gonna add in our cream cheese. And we're gonna just start getting all that blended together, y'all. Get it blended together. Now we're gonna add in our other half of cream cheese. As that come up, we're gonna add in our sugar. Now it just helps to break it down if you add in your cream cheese slowly. Now that's with my blender. Now it might be something, may not matter with yours. Then we're gonna go ahead and get one egg in, y'all. Now once that starts to get well combined, we're gonna go ahead and add in our dry ingredients. Now our dry ingredients are nothing but the flour, the baking baking powder, excuse me, and the salt. And we're gonna give that a good mix. And sometimes I gotta give her a little push, y'all. You know, she's getting old. She up there. She's been around since the 70s, y'all. So we're gonna get this combined well. And once it's well combined, y'all, what we need to do then, we're gonna get it in the refrigerator. And we're gonna leave it in the refrigerator for about an hour and let it stiffen up and set. And that's just gonna ensure that we're gonna get a great cookie out of this, y'all. They're gonna be so good. They're gonna be so good. So after sitting for an hour, let's go ahead and form my cookies. Now because we have them in the refrigerator, I can go ahead and just use my hands for this, y'all. But if I just used it straight off, I would have used either an ice cream scoop or a big spoon, something like that to get them on. But anyway, let's get them into this 350-degree oven, and they're gonna cook for around 20 minutes. May take a little longer, may be a little short, depending on several factors, how thick your cookies are and all that. So make sure you keep an eye on them, y'all. Make sure you keep that eye out. So let's go and plate these cookies up. And don't they look good, y'all? Oh my goodness, they look tasty to me. So let's go and grab one up. And look how good that cookie just breaks in half. Oh my goodness. But anyway, y'all should try these. They real tasty. But love, peace, and keep 'em grilling, y'all. See ya.